Hi everybody, welcome to this video. I'm Leo.
I'm Megan.
Yep, a lot of you already know me for many years, but Megan's new. Do you want to tell everybody a little bit about yourself?
Okay, sure. I've been with Forest Health Protection with State and Private Forestry for about 4.5 years now. And I mainly work on GIS support to our Forest Health Protection folks here in California, but I also work on some national programs like the National Insect and Disease Risk Map, and I'm really excited to start working with all of you out in the islands as well.
Great. So we are your instructors or trainers for this new thing. It's called a SMART system. It's a forest stewardship program. So we have been working with a national program to help them to calibrate the system for a while, and we're soon been coming out to Guam and Micronesia and Hawaii to conduct our in-person workshop. So this is basically a short video we want to put together to give you before the workshop so you can get an idea what it is like and what the system is about.
Get a little familiar with it.
That's right. That's
some
right.
of the terminology and things like that. And
yes. We're hoping that by watching this before coming to the workshop, you'll be better prepared. So when it's time for the actual workshop, we'll have more time for discussion, question answering, that kind of stuff. To make it a bit more efficient.
And more time for you to practice using the system.
Absolutely.
So that, then when questions or issues arise while you're actually using it, we'll have more time to work with you and solve those issues.
That's right. And the SMART system was supposed to start up, be fully functional October 1st originally, but the last time we checked, actually this morning, the official
release date
is being delayed to
November 6th.
November 6th.
Yep.
And for some of you who will be using the desktop version of this system, it's probably going to be a little bit later than that. So there's a little update, but they will be coming out.
Yes, they will be coming out,
Yes.
and Leo and I will be available to help you guys get the desktop version. Those of you that will need it will be available to help you get that set up on your computers.
Right. An important data to remember is September 30 next year.
2013.
2013. That is when you are supposed to
have all of your previous plans and your current plans input into the SMART system.
Right, and that is very important. And we think it is better for everybody to start early.
Yes, definitely.
Start early. Yes, we don't want to wait until September of next year to start working on this data. You may not have a whole lot of existing plans to put into the SMART system, but even with just a few plans, just important to start early. Again, we're here to help.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Even though the system is not ready, but the way it works that you have to create a shapefile for all those existing plans, because now the system requires actually a GIS polygon.
Yes, they want all of that spatial data. And once again, that's to show the intersection of your project area with your IFRA areas.
Right, right. So, and but you can start working on that one now, essentially. And hopefully after the actual workshop, you'll be able to gain enough knowledge to get started on that one. And don't hesitate to ask us if you have any questions or need any help. And we're always here to help.
Absolutely.
And so in this short video, Megan will be showing you guys the new system. It's pretty fancy, right? But it's easy. It's not that difficult.
Yeah. No, it's not that difficult at all. It's relatively intuitive. You kind of, the system as you go through adding in the different information that is required, the system kind of leads you along the path of like, well, you've entered this and now you're going to enter the next piece. And so it's not very difficult at all.
Correct.
Even the GIS portion, if you don't have shape files to upload in advance, adding that spatial data in through the SMART interface is relatively simple.
Right. There are a few tricky steps here and there, especially when registering the accounts, if anything else is more complicated than the
actual entering of the data.
Yes,
definitely.
Yes. But Megan will be showing you guys, every single step, how it's done, and hopefully we'll provide you with enough information to come prepared for the workshop at least. Actually, the nice thing about having a video is you can watch a stop and forward, back, forward, fast forward, backtrack anytime you want, and just at your own pace to get this thing.
Right.
So with that, we're probably gonna jump into the demonstration.
Yep.
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Yep.